friends, I'm back and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make crock pot apple cider. You will love this. It is really easy too. You don't have to peel or core your apples. Just quarter them and put them right in your crock pot. Just like so. Because you're going to strain them anyway. Now these are sweet apples. You can use a variety of apples too, but I'm just using these sweet apples, and I don't know what kind they are. They were given to me. My daughter brought us a whole 5-gallon pail of them, and I thought, ooh, we'll make some cider because the grandbabies will love that too, and I thought maybe I'll make some pumpkin donuts to go with them. Not today though, but I'm going to do the cider today. I'm just going to fill my crock pot. I have no idea how many it's going to take. I just do it until I fill it. And I'll put a couple more in there. This stuff is going to be amazing. Okay. Alright, I think we got enough of that in there. So, let's put that right there, because then we're going to put about 4 sticks of cinnamon in there. And I'm going to put a good tablespoon of cloves in there. I've got a tablespoon here. Good tablespoon of cloves all around in there. And I'm going to do, I got nutmeg. I'm only going to do just maybe a 1/3 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. That's ground. So, let me get one more secret ingredient. These, friends, are my dehydrated orange slices. And that is what I'm going to put in here because the oranges will be wonderful in there. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. You can put about equivalent to an orange, but these are so concentrated I'm not going to put too many slices in there because when you dry them, the flavor just concentrates in them. Okay, now I'm going to fill that with water. Okay, we'll see how much this fills it to. You know what? That right there is perfect. Look at there. And those orange slices will rehydrate. This will be wonderful. Stuff them down in there so they rehydrate nice. Just poke them down in. Alright, and the cinnamon's there. Well, I might as well just put that last little bit in. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my slow cooker sleeve, and this is going to just steep in there on low for about 8 to 12 hours. You know, and then I'll be back and I'll show you my next step. You know, you could let it go longer than that if you want, but 8 to 12 hours is good. So, in 8 to 12 hours, you'll see me again. Okay, friends, I'm back, and if you can see this, I've smashed this down the best that I could, and it brewed. Oh my goodness, I shouldn't say brewed because there's no alcohol, but it slow cooked all day, and then I let it cool down completely. So now all I'm going to do is strain it through my strainer because I just want the juice and no pulp. So I need to get a bowl for all the pulp. Let's see, we'll use this one. Alright. Okay. This is a little tedious, but it's worth every bit of it. This stuff is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Now this, I just throw this pulp and stuff out. I don't keep that. I'll just dump that in my bowl. Looks like applesauce when you're done, but this stuff is wonderful. And this is all you do. I use a little soup ladle to drain it all through there. And it works wonderfully. Look at that. Beautiful. See that? See it all coming out of there? Wonderful. Alright. So I'm going to go and I'm going to finish this all up and get this all strained through. This is all you do. And then I will be back and show you how it all turns out. So, be right back. I'm back. I've got it all strained out and it's wonderful. And now at this point I just put mine back on the stove just to heat it up because I want the brown sugar to dissolve in it. Now, because I didn't want to work with it hot, so I let it cool off. Anyway, so now I got this, you know, like a simmering. So I'm going to dump a half a cup of brown sugar in mine. You can use any sweetener you want. I'm just going to use a little bit of brown sugar. And all I'm going to do is just keep it warm, you know, simmering until that brown sugar is all dissolved in it. And this is going to taste fantastic. Now you can store this in your fridge for, you know, a week or so. I wouldn't go any longer than that. But this is a nice treat. And this would go good with some pumpkin donuts for the grandkids. I think I might make some of them. And if I do, I'll do a video. But that's it. It's that simple. It's really easy to make some crock pot cider. And you can serve this with a little slice of apple in the cup and a cinnamon stick. And oh, they'll love it. So, there you have it, friends. I could show you how it looks. I don't have a clear glass. Let's see if I can reach up here. I got a nice goblet. We'll use a goblet. I'll show you how the goblet will look with it. Isn't that gorgeous? There's a little bit of pulp in there, not much though, but this is wonderful. It would be good, see that? It would be good with a cinnamon stick and a slice of apple. And I think that's what I'm going to do, and I'll take a picture of it and I'll put it on the video with it. So there you have it, friends. Give it a try. You'll love it. Thanks. Bye-bye.